Have an immobilizer system that uses a rolling code. You can see that the key has a new code. This code is divided into two parts. A first fixed part corresponding to the vehicle, and a second variable part which changes every time the button is pressed on the remote control. Click on the Remote Control Command button to see it in operation. The deactivation procedure is exactly the same as that seen on the previous screens. However, as soon as the button on the remote control is released, the code contained in the key changes. Similarly, after the code received has been validated, the code contained in the decoder also changes. Click several times on the Remote Control Command button to see the code change. When you have finished, click on Next. The advantage of the rolling code is that even though the code can still be copied, the copy becomes unusable. In fact, a copied code will be invalid straight away because the decoder would already have changed it. However, a code that is constantly being changed is more vulnerable to external interference. For example, proximity to a magnetic source such as a television can cause a rolling code to change. As you can see, the code contained in the remote control mechanism has changed. Now, try to unlock the door locks by clicking on the Remote Control Command button. As you can see, the code received no longer matches the code contained in the decoder. This is known as desynchronization, and it results in the remote control mechanism becoming unusable. It is possible to unlock the doors manually, but the immobilizer system will remain active. In order for the remote control to function normally again, it must be resynchronized. This procedure will be studied in the course held at the training center. On the system that we have just seen, the rolling code renders copies unusable. The remote control can be desynchronized.